Everyone, Koke here from HubSpot. I wanted to record this video because it is a question that comes often, especially in the last weeks. It is about ticket automation. So once you open a ticket, you want to send obviously an email to your customers. But what's happened with some of my customers, they created an email and they can't send it because they need that person is marked as a marketing contact. So there is a way to send an email which it works as a transactional email, and then your customers would receive it even if they're not marketing contacts. So as you see here in the documentation for marketing contacts, there are some type of emails that can be sent to your non-marketing contacts. These are sales one-to-one emails, which is a normal email sent from the CRM. Sequences, obviously, which is the same as a series of sales one-to-one email. Chat transcripts from conversations, registration emails, ticket kickback emails. This is the one that I want to focus on. Transactional emails and customer feedback survey, which is also in service. So how do you do this? Let me walk you through. First of all, you have to go to settings and you go to objects and tickets. Then you go to pipelines, you select the pipeline that you want to work on. In this case, I'm going to be working in the test one. And then I want to go to the automated tabs. So I connected these emails. So if I send an email to this test email, it's going to open a ticket. And I have created a workflow myself. All right. So I will show you this workflow, but at the same time, I'll show you here. In this workflow, what I've done is whenever someone opens a ticket, it sends an email. Now, this is a template email from HubSpot, so you will see that is already there. It already exists. You have the ticket receive and you have another one, which is ticket close. So if you use those templates, then you don't need to create a marketing email. And this email can be sent to anybody. So let's take a quick look at the email because you still can find it. So if I go to my marketing emails and I look for a ticket received, here I can modify this ticket. So at the moment, it's sending this information, which is use contact email, date submitted, reference number, issue description, but also you can add more tokens as well. Anything regarding the company, the contact, and some other things. So what's the difference from this email to a marketing email? Well, first of all, customers will receive it, even if they're not subscribed to any subscription, or even if they don't subscribe to everything, and that's because this would work as a transactional email, just because it is a service email. All right, so what I've done here is I created a small workflow that waits 5 minutes. Then it checks if the last message from the visitor is true. So what I'm doing is a ticket is open. So I send this email to my customer. Then I wait for 5 minutes and I see if the customer reply. Obviously, the 5 minutes used for testing. You can do 3 days or something like that. So if the customer doesn't reply within 3 days, you can just close the ticket. And if the customer replies, in that case, create a task. You can also automate that, but this is a very simple automation. So with that said, you don't need to create a marketing email anymore. Just go for these, let's say, service transactional emails. So another thing is if you want to send a very nice, beautiful marketing email to your customers with this information, so as you know, it looks very simple. What you can do on the other hand is you can either send it as a marketing email, you will need to mark the contact as a marketing contact before you send the email. So you can do something like this. Well, not here because this is a ticket based email, but it would be in a contact based email. Contact based workflow. But the other solution would be getting transactional emails. With transactional emails, you don't need the contact to be marked as marketing contacts. Once you create a nice marketing email, you can just set it with a subscription of transactional. And then you don't need to send the email as well with a unsubscribe from all and the footer. So that gives you more uh, yeah, that leave you with more personalization on the email. So I really hope you like this. If you didn't know what it was, now you know. I would recommend reading this as well. And if you go for the ticket kickback email knowledge base article, you will see that it is mentioned at some point. I believe it is somewhere here. So yeah, here you have it. Bam, bam, bam. And then you can also see the information for the email. So here you see the templates, ticket receive, and ticket close. Perfect. Hopefully you like it. Have a great day. Bye bye.